Right here behind me we have the 2.9mm panels. We have designed these cabinets especially for virtual production companies and TV studios. Why? Because they have high refresh rate. They work in 3840 Hz specifically. They are front serviceable, and we have changed the mask of the panels to avoid Murray effect. So it's perfect for any broadcasting or streaming services. Also, I want to present the 3.9mm panel that is on the right side of the screen. Those panels are awesome for any church or trade show or any live show where the audience is at least 15 feet away. It's less expensive than the 2.9 and it's a great solution for any of these type of services. Now let me show you how this front service will work. We have a suction tool right here. Let's say, for example, that we have a problem in one of these little squares, one of these models, and we want to replace it. We just put the suction tool right here, we press the trigger, and voila. We have the module with the two cables, the data and the power cables, to replace the panel. Now, an awesome thing of these panels is that you can wall mount the cabinet directly to the wall, or any framing that you may have, through this hole right there. Just put the screw and mount the panels. These cabinets are the same for the 3.9 and the 2.9. Then, if you want to put back the module, it's just super easy. You fit the cables right there, and that's it, pretty much. Now follow me because I want to show you the back of the side. These are the 500 by 500 or 20 by 20 inches panels, the single ones. We also designed them in double size for fixed installations, if you wish. And how this technology works, it's pretty easy. It seems something complicated, but it's not. We have one main power cable that connects to that bottom row right there. Then the panels daisy chain between each other with these power cables. So you give power to the panels via these cables. And the same happens with the data cables. So you will daisy chain all the panels all the way to the right and up all the way to the left until you finish the screen. Also, if you want, we also sell and design these round supports. So you just build this and put the screen on top. It's a great solution for any type of event or even virtual productions. And the last thing is the video processor. This works like a huge television. You will have an HDMI output and input where you can connect anything that you wish, a TV box, PlayStation, or a computer. Everything gets processed in this video processor and sent via a Cat6 or UTP cable to the LED screen. So guys, if you're looking for one of these systems for your home, for your church, or for your TV studio, give us a call. I will send an immediate estimate. And remember, we are manufacturers, so the price that we can give you is unbeatable. Thank you very much, and I hope I can talk with you soon.